shotgun is a beast. You have to go to the shotgun, but it really does kick. And then 9mm, obviously you know what 9mm is.
Yeah.
This is like the most popular one, isn't it? Lovely day, it's not cold, is it?
No.
See, it's always, nearly always like this here. It's hardly ever cold. So what we'll do is we'll just rent one wrench and rent one lathe between the two of us, and we'll just be in the same lathe. It's a different type of thing. What do you think of the shotgun? The shotgun's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that. It's,
Maverick 88 that one, so that's made by a company called Roswell. Roswell make the rifle that we've got today as well.
I've heard the name before. I've also seen the name Cabela.
I've got to take you to Cabela's while we're here. Whatever happens, I'm taking you there. You love Cabela's. It's a man cave. Like that, mate. Talk off. Dodge Charger there. I've got the pistol that we fired today is like Sandy Springs equivalent of a Glock. I preferred it. I fired some Glocks and I preferred that one.
Oh, right. Why is that?
Just preferred it. Just fired better. I was more accurate with it. You're in a space. Wow. T2 rifle's good cheap fun though, isn't it, eh?
Yeah. I only got to start somewhere.
Well, the bullets are cheap and the gun itself's pretty cheap. So that gun cost me, I think how much an air rifle costs in the UK. So that gun cost me £80. You couldn't really even get an air rifle for £80, could you, in the UK?
No. So would a 2.2 in terms of power be a one up from an air rifle?
Yeah, I mean it's the same size as a big air rifle, isn't it? So in the UK you fire 1.7, you fire 1.7. Thank you, buddy. Thanks for looking after us. Yeah, you do. And you. So there's another hall. Do you want to, I'll show you this other hall that we need to go look at. Down this way, down this road. There's like I said, there's a hall.
Yeah, they mentioned something about another hall. They said there's about 3 halls.
Yeah, there are. This one's a nice one.
But they're also part of the tour.
Yes, they do a tour because they're at the Smithsonian Institute does a tour. So there's a copy just here. There, it's a privately owned house. It's like the same. You can't see it because it's tucked back, but it's the same as this house up here. But imagine having that as your own house.
Wow.
So this is the other one. This is the one where Roosevelt or whatever used to live
before he became president, or
yeah, or his mum or something. It's nice, isn't it?
That is.
Do, wouldn't it, eh? Lovely. Did you like to look around the house today then? Yeah, would you do another one?
Oh yeah, definitely.
They're good fun, aren't they?
also got to get behind the wheel of one of these things.
400, and it's about 440 brake horsepower of goodness.
The E63 that went in, the
Yeah.
Merc, it was 4.4 seconds from 0 to 60.
Cool.
And this is 4.2, isn't it?
Yeah. That's okay. 4.2. But the Merc's a nicer car because it's a Merc. This is nice. This is my baby. I love her. She does good to me. Petrol's so cheap here, right? It doesn't make any difference. So it's got a tune on it. And it goes in Ford Racing doing a tune on it. So it's.
Yeah, I can still remember when you were on Facebook actually asking me
which one?
Exhaust, was it exhaust package you should go for?
That's it. So I reckon we could probably get a range trip in tomorrow morning. If we went out about 10, go to the range about 10 o'clock, and then yeah, and then sort yourself out from there. I think if this is the best way to go, we might be better off going a different way. Turn it round. All about the muscle in.
Good old American muscle. And you don't need the radio.
No,
You got the music, the engine is the music.
That's very true. Well said, Ian. We have a weird rules here, like you don't have to stop at red lights if there's no one coming in.
I love that V8 burble.
That's part of the tune. I had a tune to make that burble. So when Ford Racing did the tune, they make it make that noise. It doesn't make that noise any more. It's meant to sound like the old high lift cams that you used to get in the old sort of 60s V8s with a blah 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 blah.
Is it more of a throaty gurgle?
Yeah, and like a blah 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 noise, which you get in like the tuned cars. Which is why it does that little shake that it does.
Yeah, I can feel it.
But the people at the gun range always laugh whenever I go down there because they sit there and go like, it's the strange Englishman who turns up with a massive muscle car and more guns than any of us have. Yeah, that's because we're cool. stop. It's odd. Choice of that, really. Memory card in your phone then with you, just for videoing and stuff.
128 gig.
Wow.
Which I picked up for 20 quid.
No way! That's amazing.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, she had.
Done.
Perfect.